Yay! Kan. I'm coming.
I blocked it.
I'm coming.
blocked it.
Hello.
Come on.
Oh no.
Come on.
I'm coming.
No, you can't. You gotta go.
Okay. Okay, come, Slady. One bit.
Hi guys, I'm gonna go down the slide. Whee! Oh. I just got the ball. I'm gonna go again. That's my family over there.
Lindsay. Lindsay. Hi guys! Mag-o-open tayo ulit ng parcel for today's video. So, hindi ko nga nakalimutan kung anong itong order ko na to.
I don't know what is it. So let's see what's inside.
Oh.
Ooh.
Alam ko na.
What is it?
Blender.
Oh, it's a blender?
Yeah. So we can blend the fruits, make it juice.
Ooh, that's why. So you bought a new blender. Cool.
It's handy. Yan. Ang cute.
Mom, butike.
Butike.
Ay, isang
Hi,
butike.
Wangbun. Hi, say hi. Hi, Ay, apo mga to.
Push.
Ayan siya. So let's try this one. Pink na pink. Okay lang. Let me open the other one. Let me open the other one. So we have one more parcel here.
Okay, come. Let's go.
Ang ingay naman ng mga, ay naku, background ko talaga. Naturally, background. Crying baby.
Can I help?
Okay, you open it.
Yeah. Can I use the scissors?
No. We help you na. Wala kang kuko kasi. Ano natin?
What is this?
It's a bed sheet. Manan, music. Makaka-copyright ako.
Huh?
Makaka-copyright ako.
Sorry.
This is bed sheet, no lukot.
It
No,
don't get wet.
No, it cannot be wet, but it's ano, when you wear it, it's gonna really fit in your. I think meron itong dalawang pair ng ano. Oh, here, oh. Pillowcase. Yan.
Did I break it? This one? The wrapper?
Yes.
Ooh, look at this one.
Yeah.
This is color blue. I think you put this in your room and the gray one will be in our room. Kind of long. You shut up.
And this one also meron.
I just want to see what's there.
Free. Meron siyang ano to 3-in-1 siya. Oh. Meron siyang yan. So, I will indicate the photo when we put in the bed there. So, that's it. Hi, what are you doing? Okay. Open.
Open. Break. Oh, break.
Wow!
Kami na lang yung nag-open. It's been a long time since unboxing.
Wow,
Nung
Wangban!
ano pa to, no? Nung 2022?
Mm.
Grabe! Wow! Break!
Grabe ka naman, 2022 ka dyan.
Dito, yun. Open.
Wow!
Wait,
Bakit naka-turn back si Wangban ko? There's scissor there. Oh, igat kasi.
wag na. Mas maganda pa ganito. Wait, you open it.
Wow! Sliding, Wangban. Wow, you have new toy. Oh, don't destroy the box.
Okay. Got the ball. Let's get the ball out. Put. I can't.
Baka
there's
naka,
a
ano,
basket.
naka-tape or what.
It's plastic. Ricky, don't break the box. You broke it. Wow.
Wow!
Ooh.
That's your toy.
Here. Oh.
Wow! How to play that?
Wow.
May I see, Wangban? May I see?
Shoot the mommy.
May I see? Show to mommy, guys.
See, shoot the mommy.
May I see?
Wow.
Wow! Where's the light? Oh, there!
I can't do it.
How to do that?
I don't know.
Dapat nakasit sa ano, baby chair ba yan? parang nakasit siya sa ano.
One.
Wow! Wow! Wangban! And then Wangban will sit.
What does this say?
Just let that sit there.
Oh, you see this?
Yeah.
I don't think it could fit in there.
No, it should be fit there.
It
You
don't
just
fit.
put
This one's
inside.
too fat.
No.
Yeah.
Oh,
can't
maybe
spread
I
it.
think you have to move something in there.
I mean, it literally says over here. Read it.
Oh, there. So it fit that one. Kasi if it's not fit, it won't be
Oh.
It cannot hold that. Like that. See?
Whoa! Look, it turns off, but when you do like here, it's on.
Wow.
Put in there.
Wow.
You got 10.
Wow, Wangban has new toy. New open. Unboxing.
Old toy, pero new.
Toy Kingdom. Oh.
All.
Someone give that one for Wangbin. A Korean friend bought this one for them for Wangbin.
Noon pa.
Happy ang Wangbin. Oo, nakipag-aagaw pa kay ate. Oh. Happy. Happy Wangbin.
Let him with that ball. Maybe he wants that ball. It's his toy. It's his toy. Give it to him. Here.
Oh, no.
Over again.
No more na ouch.
Hey!
Ouch na. Oh no. Oh, ouch again. Ouch.
Want to play with you.
Ouch.
Francis said he wants to play with you.
Oh, bakit? Oh, car.
He's going to go with his friend.
Ay, dayaw sawang bin.
We keeping stop. KFC.
Wangban! Wangban!
Stop.